Hello, and welcome to another episode of Demystifying Insurance. In this episode, we are going to talk about the life cycle of insurance. On set today, I'm joined by our risk expert, Isaac Murugu. Hi, Isaac.
Hi,
How are you today?
fine, fine.
So today, I want you to tell us about when I need insurance, why I need it, and how I can get it.
Thank you for that question, Linda. The first thing I think we need to note is that the legal age, or rather, the legal age for an individual to assume financial interest is at 18 years. So the life cycle of the insurance products you're likely to require or need are going to probably start from the age of 18 all the way to the end. Uh, and the financial interests are going to vary from that age all the way to retirement.
So you mean if I'm a 17-year-old, I cannot get insurance?
You cannot get insurance because the legal requirement is that you must be an adult Kenyan citizen uh, for you to actually transact or to buy insurance. So the legal age in Kenya is 18 years after you have acquired a national ID card.
And can I be under someone else's insurance cover as a young person, maybe between the age of 16 and 18 or younger?
Yes, yes, Linda. As a matter of fact, the some of the insurance covers that you would be listed as a beneficiary could be the life covers belonging to your guardian or your parents. You could be utilizing medical insurance where you're covered by one of your guardians or parents. So yes, you could be in another person's insurance policy. However, remember that particular point, you've not acquired financial interest, or rather what in the insurance sector we are calling insurable interest.
You've mentioned insurable interest. Just tell me in layman's language, what does this mean?
Uh, Linda, insurable interest means the financial interest a person has in an asset or a person.
So as my financial interests change, how is insurance growing with me or evolving with me?
Uh, and Linda, as you as you grow, rather as you continue to acquire uh, financial interests, or rather as you grow older, your financial interests are going to vary. You're going to be able to own properties. You're going to be able to start a family. Then you're going to probably be formally or informally employed. At a particular point, you're going to retire. So the financial interests along that route keep on varying. So, for instance, a 21-year-old young person, uh, most of the interest that they are likely to have are centered around the activities that they are involved in. So young people like to travel, they want to enjoy life, and they will require travel insurance. If they have already owned a car, then they will need motor vehicle insurance. Uh, they will also be moving away from the wings of their parents. So at that particular point in time, they also need health insurance. As they get into formal employment, then they will be required to actually protect their future or retirement age. So at that particular point in time, they will require a pensions product. They will also need to start or to have policies or insurance such as personal accident, life insurance. And then as they progress, then they are likely to start their families. And even as they prepare for that important step in their life where they want to tie the knot with their loved ones, then those financial interests keep on changing.
So do I have to wait until I'm employed to get insurance?
No, you do not have, as long as you have attained the age of 18 years, then and you have valid financial interest, then you can acquire insurance at any given point.
So after I'm employed and now I want to start my family,
Yes.
and we know as Africans we have very many traditions that cost quite a bit. So
Yes.
can I use insurance to, for example, save for my Rorashu?
Yes, absolutely, Linda. There are insurance products that are medium term to long term. For instance, in Madison, we have uh, a medium term product that you can save up. So, say if you want to wed in the next 3 or 4 years, you can take a life endowment or rather a savings product that you will be able to save for that big day, and then you will not, or rather that will actually save you from the big hassle of actually to organize for Harambees and a lot of WhatsApp
So,
group
so you mean
activations.
no committee? My friends are going to help me to get married.
Yes, you can actually do without the committees by just making sure that you buy the right insurance products.
Oh, that's great.
Yes,
So now that I have a family,
yes,
I have saved with whatever insurance product that I have, my Rorashu is taken care of, my wedding is taken care of, and I have a young family. What options do I have?
yes, Linda. At that particular point, your financial interest again change. Now you have a loved one. You probably started building a house, or you've taken a mortgage for a house, for the family house. You have a family car, and at that particular point, you need to insure, or rather, you need to cover or protect those financial interests. So you can take products such as credit life insurance for the mortgage. You can take life insurance. You can take a general or rather personal accident cover. And then as you progress and you're blessed with children, then you also need to start planning for their education. So uh, Madison will be able to give you a product that ensures that the education of your children will be taken care of as you progress.
So if I'm okay, my family is here
Yes,
and I have taken whichever covers that I can take.
yes.
Are they completely covered? Like I have to worry about nothing and just live life?
Not absolutely. You need to continually assess your insurance gaps or rather your insurance needs. For instance, a motor vehicle insurance will not cover for personal accident.
Mhm.
So yes, the vehicle is covered, but your life is not covered. So you need to get a commensurate or rather a relevant product, insurance product to cover for life. Uh, if, for instance, you have a house and items are in there, for example, your furniture, your electronics, then you need to get a domestic package to cover for those items against either fire or theft.
That's great information, Isaac.
Yeah.
So as Gen Zs, we are not very good with responsibilities. So I was born into a family. My parents took whichever covers they could take,
Yes.
and now they are getting old. And traditionally, it is the responsibility of the children to take care of the parents in old age. But my generation doesn't want to do that. So can insurance help us, or can insurance help our parents so that they are not completely dependent on us, and we are also not feeling the pinch of I'm trying to grow on my own and I still have to take care of my folks?
Those products range within the retirement benefits packages, such as pensions. Uh, Also, you can take medical insurance for your old folks. Uh, Insurance such as the compulsory ones, such as NHIF, you can make sure that they have those ones. So that at retirement, then uh, the your parents are no longer, or rather, are not necessarily supposed to be dependent on you. They can get annuities that take care of them during the retirement or other post-employment period.
During employment, we make contributions to an SSF,
Yes.
which we are supposed to receive after retirement. What do I need, or why do I need to have a pension plan when I have an SSF? Isn't that enough for me?
Not really, Linda, because you already know that the contributions to NSSF are quite low. So if you look at the final payout that you get is quite low, and it might not be able to sustain you through the post-employment stages. So it is important that you get an appropriate retirement package, or rather benefit, or rather contribute, so that then, and that should be informed by your projected financial requirements after retirement. Again, you do not want to get to a point where you get a shock. You're living through a certain lifestyle and then it changes after retirement.
So what I'm getting from you is that from the minute I am born to my life as I grow up and get a job, start a family, retire, and eventually die, insurance has something for me, and insurance will work with me through my entire life.
Yes, that is the case.
Our promise as Madison Group is to give you a life without worry. And as we've heard from our risk expert, Isaac, from the time you're born through your life and through the developments that you go through, you will have a cover that will be there for you and ensure that you live a life without worry. Till next time, bye-bye.